details, starting with battery electric vehicle. It is also called an all-electric vehicle, which ran entirely on battery and electric drivetrain. Electricity is stored in a large battery pack that is charged by plugging into the electricity grid. The battery pack, in turn, provides power to one or more electric motors to run the electric car. Examples of battery electric vehicles are Volkswagen e-Golf, Tesla Model 3, BMW i3, Chevy Bolt. Traction battery pack. The function of the battery in an electric car is as an electrical energy storage system in the form of direct current electricity. If it gets a signal from the controller, the battery will transmit DC electrical energy to the inverter and then used to drive the motor. The type of battery used is a rechargeable battery, arranged in such a way that it is called traction battery pack. Power inverter. The inverter functions to change the direct current on the battery into an alternating current, and then this alternating current is used by an electric motor. In addition, the inverter on an electric car also has a function to change the AC current when regenerative braking to DC current and then used to recharge the battery. The type of inverter used in some electric car models is the bidirectional inverter category. Electric traction motor. The electric traction motors will work turning the transmission and wheels, using power from the traction battery pack. Some vehicles use motor generators that perform both the drive and regeneration functions. In general, the type of electric motor used is the brushless DC motor. A controller unit is an inverter and converter combination that recharges the battery pack of an electric vehicle during regenerative braking, which develops kinetic energy. The flow of energy from the battery is controlled using a controller unit in tandem with the converter and inverter combinations. The DC motor controller system is still used today on some electric vehicles to keep the cost down. However, with the advent of better and less expensive electronics, many of today's electric vehicles are using AC motor controller systems because of their improved motor efficiency and lighter weight. In an electric drive vehicle, the auxiliary battery provides electricity to power vehicle accessories. The charge port allows the vehicle to connect to an external power supply in order to charge the traction battery pack. This device converts higher voltage DC power from the traction battery pack to the lower voltage DC power needed to run vehicle accessories and recharge the auxiliary battery. Charger is a battery charging device. Chargers get electricity from outside sources, such as the utility grid or solar power plants. There are two types of electric car chargers. On-board charger. This charger is located and installed in the car. Off-board charger. This charger is not located or not installed in the car. Thermal system, cooling. This system maintains a proper operating temperature range of the engine, electric motor, power electronics, and other components. Transmission, electric. The transmission transfers mechanical power from the electric traction motor to drive the wheels.